Yn adran y Rhan-frid Cymreig, mae Becky Lam yn dangos ar ran Mrs Lucy Griffiths yn dangos penstrymblu Valentino yn y dosbarth i'r rhai blwyddi ac dosbarth arbennig o dda.
Ond yw e, am roedd ceffyl sydd wedi ennill, mae'n ceffyl useful iawn.
Wel, bod cynlleied yn y dosbarth, ddi hynny ddim yn amharu ar ansawdd o gwbl ac ysbryd Special K yn yr ail safle, wrth gwrs, sydd wedi bod yn enillydd dda trwy'r tymor, felly llongyfarchiadau mawr i'r rheini oedd yn buddigol. Y dosbarth i'r Rhan-frid Cymreig, y rhai blwyddi bydd yn aeddfedu dros uchder o 148 centimetr.
Fourth also is 855 Ellis Owens, again that I'm in Nigeria. Third and fourth therefore.
You had last year?
No. Fifth.
Oh, did you have one time, was it 2 years ago, with the clipping?
Yeah.
You had,
I saw
and I had a good one, Mark. Yeah.
Sarah Friswell, login diamond dancer.
Well, we're quite used to seeing you, Becky, here at the top of the line in the Winter Fair.
Oh, it's one of my favourite shows. I go all out for Winter Fair. Yeah, I really enjoy it.
So tell us a little bit about Valentino.
Valentino is one we sold as a foal. I've been lucky enough to have him through the summer a couple of times, and Lucy's done really well with him through the summer and everything. Had won a couple of championships and stuff, so really happy to be here today.
So all the hard work's paying off?
Yeah, I got you by the skin of my teeth today, but we're here and we made it, so...
He looks fabulous, well done.
Thank you very much.
Brilliant. Special, the championship. This is for the Welsh Pony Club Society bronze medal in £100. With the reserve winning £50.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr I Mrs Lucy Griffiths yn ennill y dosbarth i'r ebol adfarch neu eboles yn adran y Rhan-frid Cymreig fydd yn aeddfedu dros uchder o 148 centimetr a Rebecca Lam sydd yn arddangos y mor arbennig.